Happy birthday to you. I wish you all the best in your life. Happy birthday, my dear. It's your day, be happy and be kind. I love you forever. With you I get better.
Happy 80th birthday, Achinina. We love you and God bless.
Happy birthday, Achinina. Long live. Sana'y magkaroon pa kayo ng mahabang birthday. God bless. Bye.
1, 2, 3.
Hello, Achinina. Happy 80th birthday. What a wonderful milestone. I hope you are celebrating today with lots of joy, good food and laughter. May all your dreams unfold with boundless success, good health and profound happiness, and ending blessings and countless more birthdays in the year to come. Enjoy your special day. Achinina, again, happy birthday. Dito si Vicky.
Hi, Ate Nena. Happy birthday.
Birthday po, Lola.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po, Lola.
Ikaw din din.
Happy birthday, Tita Nena.
Hello po, Madam Nina. Today is your special day. Kaya binabati ko po kayo ng happy 80 birthday po. Sana bigyan pa po kayo ni Lord ng marami pang birthdays na darating sa inyong buhay. Stay mabait and beautiful. Long life, long live. And God bless you always. Inuulit ko po ang aking pagbati ng happy 80 birthday. Bye-bye. I love you po.
Happy 80th birthday at Achinina. God health and God bless always.
Achinina, happy 80th birthday. Wish you more birthdays to come and good health always. Mapalpalar ka at si tani asabim so 8 years birthday. Agayla awa kumunta sikatayon sa naagi. Katwad tanya lanang sukasil biskeg tanto kinabilay tanto met ya amin ya kapamilya malapod pangluwa niya ang gaet kaapu-apuhan at si sa inunot mon lanang inararumi ka wadtan kan lanang ya maarumet ed sa samplura ya mababait magagalang marespeto magaganda, gagwapo na mga anak mo at mga apo mo. Sana magkaroon pa tayo ng maraming birthday at magsalo-salo lagi. Enjoy every moment. Kaya wish mitsikan lanang say good health. Tasi katutan so kayamanan tayo dyan po na mundo. I love you, Achi. From the bottom of our hearts, from me, Neil, Pauline, Blessy, Angelo, si Christian Paul, dan si Kaden, Paulo, say wish midsika say good health. I love you. Miss you. I love you. Achi.
Hi, Nanay Nina. Happy 18th birthday. 80th birthday po pala. Sana'y marami pa pong birthday na dumating po sa inyo at maging masaya kayo araw-araw at malusog para mas mahaba po pa nila kayong makakasama at mag-i-enjoy lagi araw-araw. God bless and
Hello, Auntie Nina. At si Marco. Happy 50th birthday, Auntie. Ay, 80 naman na yan. 8 years of life is not just a milestone, it's definitely a blessing. You are so blessed, Auntie, pero mas blessed ire-anak ko. At that age, di ba, naaga pa yung hira, naiwan-wan yung hira, naantabayanan yun hanggang sa apo yung. And at this very point, Auntie, sa pinaka-wish me laban is the best of health that you could have. Stay fit, keep your strength, and stay beautiful as you are. And may you enjoy this day. I mean, not just today, but every day. Enjoy life, Auntie. Live life to the fullest, kanto, Auntie, diba? Happy 80th birthday again, Auntie, and we are so much looking forward for more years to celebrate.
Happy birthday, Auntie Nina, Nanay Nina. Aliwala batya agaw, ya inki anak, so isisilibraan mi at si kayo, Auntie. No agsay, pakadudnunatan mi at saray amin, ya panangaro yo, saray sakripisyon isishare yo at si kami. Salamat at kwentong puno ng pagmamahal. Mga yakap na may nagbibigay init at kapuspusoan mi. Takumon lawas itan kayo kumo Diyos na kasil na laman, kaligayahan, tandukay lawas siya laman. Your wish is my wish. Okay? Sana'y maging espesyal ang iyong kaarawan na puno ng ngiti at pagmamahal mula sa amin. Happy birthday, Auntie! I love you!
I want you to complete me for you.
Happy birthday, Auntie Nina. Nanay Nina. Wish ko sana mahabang buhay and laging healthy. Kailan ang uwi niyo ulit, bakasyon? Naghihintay na yung talong. Tapos, naalala ko nung madya kayo, may kadamang patugtugak na Victor Wood. Mana ko siya pati mong papanis agad. Kiyan. Jake. Nagdunag. Tama na kaya si Kayo, si Auntie. Gabagabay na Victor Wood. Kaya gabay da. Ng Auntie, si Kahiliganda, may istoryaan niya mabayan. May istoryaan ako na muna. Nasabi ni Palbangon. Minsan. Yan. Pampacutex larat siya. Sige magibig kulay. Ang balanga. Sa inibagat labat, Auntie, sana healthy kayo lagi. Long live and I miss you. See you soon, Auntie. Happy birthday.
Great message.
Happy 80th birthday! Long live and God bless!
We love you.
Happy birthday, Auntie Nena! May you have many more birthdays to come! We love you and we miss you! Take two! Happy birthday! Happy welcome, Paul! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Mars. Asikasun sulaman muntan Tapiano anduki ni Pilay Tandua. Untang kumut, asikasun kumut sulaman kudyata. Anti antatay na ani nakalamod dya o nakaimot ditan. Tapiano manengengan tilamot ya amin. Okay? Bye Mars, I love you.
Hello, Nanay Nena! Happy 80th birthday! I'm wishing you all the best and good health in life. Wala po akong ibang masasabi, kundi maraming salamat po dahil sa inyo, sa katapangan nyo, kabaitan at kagalingan. Bilang isang ina, nagkaroon po ako at nakakilala ng isang mabait at magaling na best friend na tatangi dito sa mundo. At kami po ay mag-best friend for almost 28 years. Salamat po. Maligayang kaarawan po ulit sa inyo, Nanay Nina. I love you and I miss you all. Happy birthday!
Oh baby, 'cause I really don't care where you are. I just wanna be there where you are. And I gotta give one little taste. Sugar, yes please. Won't you come and put it down on me? I'm right here, 'cause I need little love and little sympathy.
To my beautiful sister, a very happy 80th birthday. Wishing you a day filled with love and joy. You are not just a sister, but also my best friend. Praying for God's blessings upon you and your entire family. Cheers to another year of adventures and creating more colorful pictures with your family there in Canada. God bless, and I love you always.
To my fabulous Auntie Nena, who has been a guiding light and source of unconditional love, on behalf of Lope, Cholo, and Pau, wishing you a remarkable and very happy 80th. May your heart stay young, your spirit wise, and may your special day be filled with immense happiness and continued blessings. Happy 80th birthday, Auntie. God bless. We love you.
Birthday, Ate Nina.
Happy birthday, Ate Nina. Kumundo na sa biyoy. 100 years. Long live. Happy 80th birthday. We miss you, Ate. Happy birthday, Auntie.
Long live.
Happy 80th birthday at Sinena. I hope and pray that you are always in good health and long life. Enjoy your special day. Cheers!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to Nina. Kumon matsir sulaman yung lawas.
God bless. Sinina.
Thank you.
Hi Ante! Happy 80th birthday sa inyo. I wish you many years ahead with strength, grace, and health. God bless you more, Auntie Nena, and I love you so much. Enjoy your day. Mama, chuk chuk.
Happy birthday, Nanay! Miss and love you so much.
Hi, Nanay. Happy birthday and wish you all the best, good health, and always strong and stay beautiful as always. I love you, Nanay. Happy birthday.
Happy 80th birthday, Nanay, and we love you so much. Mama.
Happy birthday, Nanay.
Hi Nanay! Happy 80th birthday po sa inyo. Pasensya na po, hindi mo ako makapunta dyan sa Vancouver ngayon. Pero andito ako ngayon sa Golden Gate sa San Francisco, California. I wish you all the best. Sana nasa mabuting lugar kayo palagi. And enjoy nyo lang po yung life. And palagi po kayo dapat sumunod kinatita sa lahat po ng mga bilin o pasaway. Tama na yung mga bisyo kung meron man. And then sana sa next na uwi nyo po sana magkasama-sama tayong lahat. I miss you, Nanay. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. I love you po. Happy birthday. Mwah!
Happy 80th birthday, Nanay! We love you! More birthdays to come! Stay happy, be happy. Mama Mary loves you. Me too.
Enjoy your special day,
Nana. We love you, Mama. God bless you.
At sinina, agi gaylay palpalar mo ta sabimlay 80 ya taon. Say wish ko at sayan birthday so kumunta maksil sulaman mon lanang tan idan kanidukay na bilay na Diyos lawas. Siguro sayan birthday matsi si Katuya susang ka ni bagak ya best birthday at amin ni pang birthday ta matartalag sumakasabilara ta na taon sa 80 ya makmaksil kini tan ang gapo ni dakil ya problema yu lilik na inyo. Katon kumon sister ayan birthday so man enjoy ka tan say karukun lanang so kumunta maksil sulaman mon lanang at si singa nalampasan mo ni amoy nanay taunda ta agaylay liksim ni tan ang gapo ni problema say hurt mo. Katon sister, enjoy my birthday tan kumon makapanangnangan tilam at Pilipinas no nasabi-sabi. Happy birthday again, sister, and I love you so much.
Hello Balae. Happy birthday. We wish you good health always at naway maging masaya at puno ng pagmamahal. Ang araw na ito ay para sa iyo kasama ang buong pamilya. Again, happy birthday. God bless us all.
Hello, Balae. Happy birthday.
Enjoy!